Hello, welcome to my channel NCERT Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question from the topic of waves. The question is, a gas is a mixture of 2 parts by volume of hydrogen and 1 part by volume of nitrogen. If the velocity of sound of hydrogen at 0 degrees Celsius is 1300 meter per second, find the velocity of sound in the gaseous mixture at 27 degrees Celsius. So first of all, density of mixture. Will be given by total mass of mixture divided by total volume of mixture. So density of mixture is equals to, now mass is volume into density. For hydrogen it is 2 parts of volume into density of hydrogen plus volume of nitrogen into density of nitrogen. Now there are 2 parts of volume of hydrogen and 1 part of volume of nitrogen. So that, and we know that density of nitrogen is equals to 14 times density of hydrogen. This is known to us. So now putting this, we get 2 times volume of into rho h plus V into 14 rho h divided by 3V, or we can say this is V, 2 rho h plus 14, that is 16 rho h upon 3V. So V gets cancelled. We get density of mixture is equals to 16 rho h upon 3. So this is our relation number 1. Now we find velocity of mixture at 0 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius, it is given by gamma P upon density of mixture. That is equals to gamma P. Density of mixture is 16 rho h upon 3. Similarly, velocity of hydrogen at 0 degrees Celsius will be given by gamma P density of hydrogen. Now we divide velocity of at 0 degrees Celsius mixture and then of hydrogen. That will give us gamma P into 3 upon 16 rho h multiplied by, now velocity in hydrogen gas at 0 degrees Celsius, we invert it, that is rho h divided by gamma P. So when we solve it, this gamma gets cancelled, this P gets cancelled, this rho h gets cancelled. So this is equals to under root 3 upon 16, which can be written as velocity at 0 degree upon velocity of hydrogen at 0 degree is root 3 by 4. Now the formula, and therefore V0 is equals to root 3 by 4 into velocity of hydrogen, which is given to us as 1300 meter per second. On solving this, we get this is equals to 325 root 3 meter per second. Now the velocity at any temperature T is given by velocity at 0 degrees Celsius 1 plus T upon 546. Now the temperature given to us is 27. So velocity at 27 degrees Celsius, V0 is 325 root 3, 1 plus 27 upon 546 On solving this, we get this result to be equals to 591 meter per second. Therefore, we can say that the velocity of mixture of gas at 27 degrees Celsius is equals to 591 meter per second. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.